All right, welcome back, second grade. We are in the final part of our packet 3 for reading. And so today we're going to do the phonics pages that are included in your packet. So work that you've done in Foundations before. So this will be a review for you. Most of it's going to be working on your vowel consonant E syllables that we worked on this year. And so your first page looks like this. It says, do the find the syllables type activity. So inside that box, you're going to have some words that are vowel consonant E and some that are not. If they are the vowel consonant E, you're going to circle it so that you see the example there in the word lime. It has the I that says its name, lime, and the E does not make a sound. And so it follows a rule of a vowel, the I, the consonant, which is the M, and the E that is silent at the end. Now notice they marked out the word blend with an X because it does not have an E at the end and the vowel does not say its name. So it does not follow the rule. So take a moment, go through the box, circle the ones that are the vowel consonant E, and cross out any that are not. You can stop the video and then you can continue on with the bottom part that we'll work on together. All right, after you've done the top work in the top box, it says, have your child write the vowel consonant E syllable words from above on the lines below. So notice you're going to be writing those words, and notice they're having you mark those words. When you mark it with a VE underneath because that stands for vowel consonant E. Notice the straight line over the I means that the I is a long vowel. It is saying its name. Notice we're crossing out that E with a line through it because it does not make a sound. So make sure any of those vowel consonant E words you write on the line and you mark them correctly. All right, if you needed more time, again, you can always pause that video and before we go on to the next section, okay? On the next section, it says, do the read, write, and mark activity. So have your child read the following words, copy them on the line, and mark up the syllable. So make sure they're reading them correctly, so read it to an adult, copy it correctly, make sure that you're spelling the word correctly, and then when you mark it, make sure you mark it with a VE if it follows that VE rule, and make sure that it has a straight line over the vowel and you have crossed out the E because it does not make a sound. Notice they give you an example of cut does not follow the rule. Notice they've marked it differently. They've marked it like a closed syllable. So you're going to go through and you're going to make sure that you've marked all those vowel consonant E words. Make sure you read them, you write them, and you mark them. Okay, go ahead and pause the video. Take your time to do that. Have an adult check it over and make sure that you are doing it correctly. Finally, you're going to do an activity called Mark the Syllable Activity. And so it says, have your child scoop the two syllables, because notice these are two syllable words. Mark the syllables with a C to indicate a closed syllable, so if it's making that short sound, and our VE if it's that vowel consonant E syllable. So students, if you remember how to check those syllables, remember when you say the word, put your hand right underneath your chin. And so if you say, for example, the word reptile, you'll notice that your chin touches your hand twice. That means it's a two-syllable word. So our first syllable, rep, is marked with a C underneath because it is a closed syllable, and it is marked with a short vowel symbol. And then we're going to have tile, which is our VE syllable, and so it is marked with a straight line across because that is a long vowel. It is saying its name, and we're crossing out that E just like we practiced before. So again, it will be important to put your hand under your chin, say the word, figure out where those syllables break to make sure that you've marked both syllables in each word. Okay, you're going to do that for the remainder of the page, okay, until you get down to the word athlete. Okay, all right, good. Do a good job marking those. Make sure that you're putting your hand under your chin to make sure that you get where those syllables break, and you'll be able to do that part of the page. All right, guys, congratulations. If you've completed this section, that means you have completed the reading portion of Packet 3. And so you guys are doing a great job. Keep it up, and we will see you next time.